Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. The TV must be a smart model or have an HDMI port for a streaming stick, and you need an active Netflix account. Plug in the streaming device, switch TV input, and sign into your home Wi-Fi. Once done, make sure your phone or computer uses the same network. This prevents casting conflicts. You're now ready to open the Netflix app on the TV or prepare your phone to cast, which starts the actual connection process. You'll next install or update the Netflix app on the TV or attached streamer, because outdated apps cause login and playback errors. Open the app and sign in with your email and password. If the TV shows an activation code, go to the activation page on your phone or computer and enter it. This links the device. Once signed in, enable casting or HDMI CEC permissions so your remote and phone can control playback, and confirm autoplay and resolution settings to match your band. You're ready to play? Choose a show and press play. Then confirm audio and video look correct and adjust resolution if buffering happens. If you're casting from a phone, tap the cast icon and pick the TV from the list. Once connected, the phone becomes a remote. If playback fails, restart the TV and router. Double-check both devices use the same Wi-Fi, re-enter your Netflix credentials, and update the app or device firmware. This fixes most connection issues and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.